So I've been pretty slack on the uploads lately, and I've been telling myself that it's because I've been working extra shifts and I just don't have time, and building is so much effort, but really I'm just a lazy prick. But I threw a straw poll up on the Facebook page last week asking if anyone would like more vlog style content, and it was overwhelmingly a yes by 12 votes. So if at least 12 people are going to watch it, then might as well put it out there. But one thing I have been doing lately is building a new computer, or at least ordering the parts to build a new computer. Because my poor little laptop really can't handle editing video properly. It's, as soon as you try to do something more advanced than just a jump cut, it starts to struggle. So a mate of mine, the same guy who I built the PC cabinet for, designed a computer for me, and so I ordered all the pieces, and for some reason it came in 5 shipments, even though I ordered it from the one store, and it's been a runaround, complete runaround. One delivery by Star Trek I managed to get, another delivery by toll they left on my doorstep even though they didn't have permission to. A delivery by Couriers Please was dropped off to a newsagent's. A delivery from TNT was dropped off to the same newsagents I was at picking up the Courier Please order 15 minutes after I picked up that order. And the final Star Trek delivery, they took to Darra, and I have to pick it up from Darra. And for anyone unfamiliar with Brisbane's geography, Darra is exactly way too far out of my goddamn way. I just had to pull a favour and get out of work early so I could make it to their depot so I could actually pick it up on time. And yeah, I guess that's what this video is going to be about. You're going to watch me build my computer, and yeah, should be fun. We'll make it fun. You know, as fun as driving in a straight line on a highway can be. I love being stuck in traffic. Don't you just love online shopping? I mean, it's so convenient. From the comfort of your own home, you can order whatever it is you need. It doesn't matter what it is. And then they deliver it to you right to your door. Unless you're asleep when it shows up, and then they take it away and you have the privilege of driving through a whole heap of peak hour traffic just to get it. Oh, what an age we live in. Goddamn privilege. Oh look, we're stopping again. And here's a good spot to turn the camera off because you don't get to see where I live. All that run around, 2 goddamn ram sticks. Oh, well, I may as well get the rest of it and start assembling. Oh. And then the hard drive. Because apparently the hard drive doesn't deserve a box. Probably shouldn't have stacked it like this, because I need to get to the case, which is at the bottom. So my mate Adam is the one who designed this for me, and he sent me some instructions on how to build it, which is good because I have no idea how to build a computer. But I'm pretty sure you start with the case. And welcome to bad unboxing. Actually, I'm not going to do that because this is expensive. Okay, so what do the instructions actually say? Ah, you don't actually start with the case. Off the side, where's the motherboard? Okay. This motherboard looks motherboardy. Install the CPU. Wait, which one's the CPU? This comes with pictures, so I can't screw it up. The pictures don't tell me which way it goes. I think it goes that way because there's little knobby things that stick to the other knobby things. I'm going to go ahead and say that's the way it goes. Install the RAM. Oh, that was easy. Install the solid state drive. Everything has a seal on it. I feel like I need to buy these a drink before I can open them. Put the motherboard in the case. Has to be that way. I don't think this motherboard fits in this case. Alright, I'm making a bit of progress. I think I've got it wired up correctly. I mean, there's no power to it yet, but I also haven't put in this one. Oh. What's in there? Can't open it one-handed. Oh, pretty! Fuck. Whoa, this thing is a beast. I'm not going to open the non-static thing one-handed, but beast of a graphics card. Swear to God, I'm just paying someone else to do this next time, because I've had to unscrew and rescrew this motherboard 4 times now, and it's pissing me off. But hopefully once I wire it to power, it'll boot up, I can install the OS and be fucking done with it. It's been on 1% for 10 minutes. At least the inside of the computer looks pretty. So this is the aftermath of wrestling with the computer all night. It's all put together and there's just boxes and junk and bags everywhere. Hi, Snack. There it is. It's not much to look at the moment. You can see the graphics card peeking in through there. Installing StarCraft just to get a benchmark of where the graphics are at. I mean, it's no Minecraft, but it'll do. Yeah, well, there you go. I built a computer and didn't break it. Piss poor quality for a vlog, but then again, most vlogs are piss poor quality. So the guy who designed that computer, even though he sold me the wrong case, still gonna shout him out. He has a Twitch stream. Head over there to see that. Link is in the description. I'm probably gonna start streaming on that thing. Mainly because I need to make it pay for itself, so keep an eye out for that. And build videos will be coming very soon if I can pull my finger out of my ass. The Gauntlet build is coming. I just need to get cracking on making a template that is original and not someone else's, because that's just boring, it's plagiarizing, it's bad. So once I have the template done in paper, I can put it to metal, I can film it, I can make it. But one thing I do need to do is, I'm sitting in the chair I built with my dad, and just flip this around. This is my office desk, and these are my knees. And they just barely fit. So this desk is going to need to get rebuilt at some point. So there's probably going to be a build of that in the future. I swear to God, my life from now on is just going to be building tables. Anyway, when I get home from work, I'll be installing Adobe Premiere Pro and Photoshop on that thing, and I'll be hacking all of this footage into hopefully something watchable. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, got 5% battery on this thing, so there's not going to be a second take. So this is it. This is what's happening. Bye-bye.